I just bought this abandoned Miata that's been sitting for 1.5 years, and I'm gonna clean this thing up, fix it up, and it's gonna be a fun little drift car that we can daily. Ever since I missed out on that Miata earlier today, think I'm gonna win this Miata? Oh yeah.
We are not getting that Miata. 3 grand.
I've really been fiending for one, and one just got listed less than 3 hours ago. So I have 2,500 bucks, and we're gonna go see what we can go do with this. We're on the way to go grab this Miata. It's only a minute away. It's literally less than a mile up the road. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be pretty clap. We're trying to leave with it for 2,000. And my grandpa's gonna absolutely hate this car. I'm calling it now. You got anything to add, Drew?
Cheap's always fun.
I think it's pretty swag.
Looking at the car, Drew's going to look at another hood. Guy said it ain't worth having though. Seats are nice. Super dirty, but looks like it would clean up.
This thing's a damn race car.
Windshield's busted. It's a busted windshield. Don't know why this is down here.
Man, it leaks oil anywhere? I mean, I don't care.
Not that I know of.
Yeah, we fool around with a little bit of Miatas. I actually wouldn't say we like them.
I used to have one with an LS and I'd spin it around.
An LS? Holy.
I'd spin it around in the driveway.
Why is it smoking so bad?
So remember, we got no seat belts.
Yeah, I'm not going crazy.
She clapped.
She is freaking clapped, boy. She does not kind of want to move at all. She needs some work though, for sure.
Some. It's almost like it's a red line set. First gear's got a red line set at like 2,500.
No, it's good. It's good. Hey, we're gonna do one more lap. No, it does. Yeah, there's something going on with the throttle or something. It goes through all the gears good. That's what matters. The exhaust is really bad on it, and it smokes a lot.
Yes, it's here. You can hear it up here. Hear more exhaust here, I feel like, than behind us.
Do I look badass in this? Be honest.
Nah, sorry.
What the frick? I don't think it's terrible.
Me and my wife drove it. We didn't ride in it long. I'll drive it without her all the time, but
What you think about 1,500?
you 18.
Leave out that thing! I'm kind of excited. It's kind of clapped. It's pretty clapped.
Kinda.
Yeah, I don't know what to think. My grandpa's gonna absolutely hate me. He's probably gonna disown me. But this thing kind of sounds like crap, and there's definitely some mechanical problems with this thing. Wait, I don't think what?
The speedometer.
Speedometer doesn't work, and I don't think the heating and air thing works in here.
Heating it. You mean the
I don't think I don't think the coolant tip works. Actually, I don't know if any of these things work besides the actual RPMs.
And that might not work. Oh no, you're going over the speed bumps.
I got to.
Oh.
Oil pressure works.
Oh.
I don't know what that is.
That's the exhaust. That's not the red line. Oh, here's the fun part. We got a speed bump. Oh.
Sorry, Pap. What was that?
What was that?
That was a little bit scary.
Oh.
I have to pull it back.
My butt.
Does it hurt?
My butt.
I'm definitely going to put some brakes behind this thing just so it doesn't go. Let's try to get out this thing.
How do I get out? I'm too wide. I'm too wide.
Come on. Oh, your head. We got a damn race car. Oh, snap.
Do I keep my lunch right here?
Yeah, dude, we're putting McDonald's right on that plate. I just bought something and I need a reaction for it.
Okay. Oh, wait. That's awesome. Okay. It's pretty dirty. That's all right. This is pretty gothic. Yeah. It's not terrible.
Besides the giant crack.
Okay. It's,
Giant crack in the
that
windshield.
appears to have been super glued. All right. Well, there's that. This is like a machete. Not the craziest thing you've brought home. How much?
Guess how much we got this thing for?
$2 grand.
1,700 bucks.
All right. Even better. It's a deal. All right. The seats and harnesses are probably worth more than the car was. Okay. I'm digging it.
Oh, get in there.
My God.
Get in there.
It's like a go-kart. All right.
Brake lights work.
Brake lights do work. That's a good thing.
It's, wait, is this convertible?
Yeah.
I didn't even check it. I give this one for $1,700. A thumbs up and a thumbs up.
Ooh, that's pretty good.
What the heck is that?
It's a Miata.
It's a Miata. It's got glitter. It's purple. Don't
Watch out, watch out. Those are super sharp.
What is this? Oh my gosh, boo-boo, you did not do that.
Guess how much I got this thing for?
$200.
I freaking wish.
All right, have fun with that one.
All right,
Love
thank
you.
you. Love you too, Ma. I don't think 1,700's bad, but 200 would have been great. Something like this. Bro, this thing is stupid. It's the next morning and we're bringing this thing to the shop. I'm not very excited. It's gonna be a rough drive. This thing stinks so bad. You ready?
Ready.
Let's get her going. It don't start. What's going on here? The parking brake made it not start? Well, we made it up to the shop. Not very pleasantly, but we made it somehow. I guess I'm gonna call him, tell him head up here so we can get his reaction, because this is gonna be freaking hilarious. Pap, pap, pap. I got you a surprise.
Yeah, putting the wheels on straight.
No, not that. I think you're actually gonna really like this surprise.
It's old Rowdy's car.
No, no.
I'm scared.
I'll open the garage door for you. Okay, that door's locked.
Oh no.
Oh yeah.
Another one.
1,700 bucks later.
It's filthy.
It's been sitting for a year and a half.
Does it run?
Yeah, it runs.
What's wrong with it?
Everything.
I don't like it. It's not even going to clean up very well.
But it came with bags.
Trash bags?
It should have.
This is crazy. Where'd you find this wreck at?
Right down the road.
Oh, it come from Gaffney?
Yep.
Well, that explains a lot.
Oh, but it's got a glow-in-the-dark sticker.
Oh, well.
The inside might be nice on this thing. Maybe not the best.
Well, like that.
It is a race car.
Pink? You gotta be kidding me. Pink?
You don't like the pink?
No, I don't like it. Let's clean it up.
Or leaving it like this?
No, I gotta clean it. That boy's crazy.
Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Females made you just to trick me, trick me, trick me, trick me. 'Cause baby.
We're gonna see how well this Miata cleans up because it's been sitting for almost a year and a half. But we're about to see how much it cleans up because my grandpa's a clean freak. It's gonna look pretty good.
Caixa tá preparada pra fuder sua safada. Vem sentando na piroca, sua piranha safada. Vem, vem fuder, 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 vem, vem fuder. Vai xerequinha, toma, 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 toma. 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 Vem, vem fuder, vem, vem fuder.
I've had the Miata for about a day now, and it's time we finally mod this thing, which he's gonna buff the hood. What else we gotta do? The headlights look stupid. There's one, it's like a sleepy eyes headlights. There's only one of those. So I'm gonna fix that. Yeah, I don't know. We're just gonna twiddle our fingers around this thing and come up with whatever we can and mod this thing to best as our ability since we only had it for about a day.
Taking these stupid tomahawks off this wing. They're dangerous. Boing, boing. Drop my thing.
We got the tomahawks out. I think this thing looks way better than it did beforehand. Next mod we're doing is taking off these stupid headlights because one has eyebrows and the other one doesn't, and they're both completely dirty.
I'm gonna take this buffer and clean up this wing. It looks nasty, but I think I can make it look new again. We got it from this side.
Next thing we're doing is taking off this stupid banner because it's done very poorly. I'm taking this thing off. It just looks stupid. I wouldn't worry about it.
It's still not good, but it's better than bad. Wax on, wax off. Precision paint.
Is it working?
No, but it was free.
The Miata did come with airbags. We got the air tank and the air pump out of the Miata. Now we can list this stuff up on eBay. I'm gonna try to list these up on eBay. I've actually already thrown them up on eBay, so hopefully somebody buys them. I have them up for $1,000. I gotta go get this air compressor off of this drum.
Turkey baster.
Turkey baster.
Turkey baster. You gotta take the turkey baster off. Wait, turkey basting in here.
The air pump and the air tank. I think I gotta list these things up on eBay so I can make some money back. Oh, should I do a burnout? I probably shouldn't. Dude, it might be worth it to bring this thing to Peps and weld that exhaust. Bro, we might have to weld this exhaust. This is terrible. Like the exhaust, bro, the whole freaking, bruh. Oh my gosh, dude, it's gassed out in here. Dude, this stinks. Holy freaking crap. Hey, there's Pap. I really yelled that, holy. What up, Pap?
Got a porta power.
Porta power. Got a porta potty. Bro, those headlights look like crap.
That one does.
It's all glue, bro. So we came into a little issue. It don't close.
Stays open nice.
Does stay open nice. All right, let's see. Close it, Pap. It works. Thank goodness. All right, fix that problem.
You're welcome.
Thanks, Pap. This wing kind of looks like crap, so we're gonna take this thing off and repaint this thing because it would look so much better just repainted. But for right now, I'm taking off this stupid spoiler. There goes one. Oh, that's light. Got that, Pep. Oh my goodness. That thing would look sick. That actually does not look bad. It's time to paint this on because whatever they did to it looks kind of like crap. That's it. All right, she's all done.
You did the middle hole, right?
Oh yeah, that thing looks good. I heard you just got some new rims.
I'm a baller now.
Oh, snap.
Pop the trunk.
Oh my goodness. Those things are kind of beast mode.
Chrome, get you dome.
Should we throw them on?
Yes.
I guess we're throwing these things on.
I'm about to be so tough.
Bro, this thing's gonna look insanely tough. They're on there pretty good. Pap took the breaker bar.
No way.
But, just like all good things, we can make something out of it. Oh my gosh. Why are these on here so tight?
What the heck? Are all of them gonna be that way?
Oh. Wait, hand me when I put it through an empty wheel.
Bryson says they're good. He's willing to risk it.
Well, you know what? If they're not, just pull over. Oh man, I'm scared about the lug nuts.
What you mean?
Well, I've just had a wheel fall off, so like that's why I'm a little scared. Oh. Oh my god.
Doesn't rough.
This thing's kind of sick. What do you think?
This thing is a race car now. What's going on?
My wheels are gonna wobble off.
He's willing to risk it.
If they're not, just pull over. Jumper. Well, Bryson's wheels are, I don't know if they fit on there all the way. They sound like they're about to fly off. So we're grabbing everything to change them back to normal.
I feel like you've done this before.
Am I tightening that?
No, you want me to put the e-brake on?
I'm cutting off the video here. My next video about this Miata will actually be us fixing it up, like the exhaust, the spark plug, see whatever else we got to fix on this thing. Please subscribe so I can buy a car lift. I'm tired of crawling on the ground, but stay tuned for the next video.